shit, I'm visionary. If you're dreaming of the whip while I'm whipping up the dream, we are not the same.
Thick, 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 Nickelodeon. So, what's up, my people? Today I am going to teach y'all how I made this fire ass tote bag, okay? And what did I make it out of? Some placemat rug things from Dollar Tree, y'all. So I'm gonna show you how I did that real quick. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so boom. Right now I'm just trying to decide if I wanted it sideways, if I wanted it long ways, if I wanted to like trim it myself, but I decided to keep it long ways and give that oversized bag feel, so that's what we're gonna go with. So I started with 2 placemats. Obviously I knew I was gonna need 2 of each to get the bag, like the big bag effect that I was going for. So I basically, like, bro, this is so self-explanatory and took me less than friggin' 2 hours to do it. So yeah, so I went ahead and cut off all of those tags and things that I don't need, and then I went ahead and placed those placemats together. Okay, and so once I had got both of them lined up as evenly as possible, one of them was shorter than the other, but that was alright. I kind of added like a certain effect to my bag, so I thought that was really cute, so I kept that, and I'm just going to go ahead and pin that and take it to the sewing machine. And then down the sewing machine, just gonna sew the 3 sides and obviously leave it open because it's a bag, okay, child, period. Nothing really special that I did. I did keep my sewing machine on a zigzag stitch. Honestly, like, that's just my default stitch. I don't know why I sew everything with a zigzag stitch. Now, however, I did leave like some extra space between the 2 pieces to add in my handle for this bag or whatever, so that it'll like look seamless in it, because the goal is to kind of make this kind of a reversible bag. So like if you turn it inside out, it'll have like a kooky type of, like, ew bitch, kooky, that's ugly, okay, have like a different type of look to it, okay? So I wanted to like make it like rockstar-ish and like add all different kinds of shit to it on one side, and the other side just like leave it plain and Rastafarian type of style. Yeah, so anyway, right now I'm getting started on making that handle. So I'm going to take 4 different fabrics, all different type of materials, obviously. So this is like a nylon material, and then I have like a red silk, and then like this plush black, and then I have a regular gray wife beater or whatever. And then I went ahead and cut that and then braided it down because I wanted that chunky braid effect. But oh yeah, I measured it. I measured it to see what I wanted it to like look like. Okay, I can dig it. Kind of like this. It being this long. This is a big ass bag. It is gonna be reversible so that I can like shorten it. So let me test that part out real quick. I'm gonna turn the tags into eyeballs. I'm gonna make it like a thing, because like, y'all know me, I'm crazy. So it's gonna be eyeballs.
Pressure making diamonds, making my tombs head. Throw some lasers on that bitch. We watch out for the sticky hands. Mind that over matter. Hoes and spirits looking shattered. I'ma get this last little laughter.
So after braiding down the handle and everything and making sure that it's to the length of what I'm looking for or whatever, I went ahead and trimmed it, tied it at the ends to make sure that this is not coming undone like at all. And then I went ahead and placed it in those spaces where I had left it unsewn just for this particular part of the video, or particular part of the making of the bag or whatever. And then I went ahead and sewed that down, girls. Super simple, super freaking easy, and super quick, and it was very affordable, girl. So I would recommend at least trying this. If not, you know, girl, whatever, it was fun for me. And boom, baby, I'm done, period. The bag is bagging, period. Okay, so I did make a reversible. I just didn't have time to turn those tags into eyeballs. But when I get around to that, find the outfit with that part, I will. And then the thing just kind of folds over, whatever. Yeah. But this was like a really cute, fun, easy ass project. And if y'all want to do it, go ahead and get the materials from Dollar Tree. I don't know if they still have them, but yeah, because I got these things like a few months ago. So yeah, there's so many different ways that you can style this and wear this bag. I just love the oversized feel of it. It's just perfect. Okay, and if you want to make it shorter or whatever you want to do, just tie the handle, and there you go, child. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.